Alright, so this is how to install Ghost eShop on your Nintendo 3DS or 2DS. It does not matter what 3DS you have, as long as it is in the Nintendo 3DS family. So, yeah, you will of course need a PC for this. I am using a Legion Go, but it runs Windows, so it doesn't really matter. As long as you have something where you can take files from your PC onto the SD card. And first things first, we're going to take out the SD card. Since I have a new 3DS XL, I have to unscrew these two screws here to access the back plate and take out the SD card. There we go. Then plug the SD card in here. Then go into File Explorer, and there I can see my SD card. And now what you're gonna do is create a new folder. I'm going to create a new folder, and you're going to name the folder CIAs. Really important step, just do that. And once that's done, you can just go onto the first link in the description. It will be a link right on top, and it will say Mega. It will have Mega in the name. So once you have clicked on that, it will take you to this page. You can just press on download here and then download as a zip file. Give this a second here. There we go. Now you can just X out of here. Then go into File Explorer. There we go. Press on your SD card. Nope, that's wrong. Press on Downloads. And then I just have to find Ghost eShop CIA. There we go. Going to extract all, extract, open this, and here we have the Ghost eShop.ca file. What you're gonna do is drag this to the SD card and then put it onto the CIAs folder. There we go. Now you can just X out of this, X out of that, take this up and eject the SD card. There we go. Now take out the SD card, then plug it into your 3DS or 2DS or whatever you have. And if you have a new 3DS XL, you have to put on the bottom cover from the bottom to then the top, and then screw these screws in. There we go. Power on. You won't need this PC anymore, really. Just the installation left. Then you can go into Download Play or FBI if you have that FBI application. But I'll just go into Download Play. Then press Select down and L. Then go onto Miscellaneous Options. Switch the HB. Once you get Operation Succeeded, you just press B, B, B. Then press Home. Press Home again. Maybe even a third time. There we go. Close. And then go into Download Play again. There we go. And now what you're going to do is go into FBI. SD. Then go down to CIAs. Whoops. There we go. CIAs. And then go on to Ghost eShop, press A, and install and delete CIA. Press A, and there we go. Install finished. Just press home. New software has been added to the home screen. And there you have Ghost eShop. You will of course need to be connected to a Wi-Fi to access Ghost eShop. And yeah, it might ask you for updates. There we have the information about the app. And let's go. Yeah, it's installing, updating, update complete. Please reopen Ghost eShop. Let's just reopen this real quick. It's downloading some things. Yeah, this usually does take a while, so yeah, I'll just skip this part. But basically, it's done. It's downloaded. It just has to download some things, and once it's done, it's ready to use. So just wait for this to be completed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.